So a big thank you to the Sheen Box team for very kindly reaching out to us to offer this really lovely cat box. This is not just for sleeping and snuggling, this is also for play as well. It is made from a high quality felt that is strong but also soft, so it's not going to chip or flake or splinter. So it's going to be really safe for your pet to play in. It comes together really easily, almost like a jigsaw, and it took me less than 5 minutes to put this together. It is in a really nice grey neutral tone, perfect for all homes. And as you can see, it is a pet's paradise. They're absolutely adored playing in there, exploring. And we have two larger cats and they both fit in there really nicely. It does come with this really nice elasticated ball, which is optional and secures to the roof. This is going to give your pets hours and hours of playtime. They're going to feel nice and safe and secure while they sleep and rest. This is a really nice high quality build. It's going to last a really long time in anyone's home. Perfect for players and nappers alike. Thank you again to the team for very kindly sending it out to us. Mabel and Doodle are absolutely thrilled. We're going to have so much fun playing in this.